Today we're going to talk a little bit about 1K glazing putty, the stuff you don't have to mix, and why after using it you won't be able to live without it. First of all, it doesn't shrink if you use it correctly, sands way easier than any other putty, dries super fast, and very convenient as you don't have to mix it. The most important thing to remember is this is only for minor imperfections, like maybe a few sheets of paper thick. It can be used on minor low spots, small nicks, or any other tiny imperfections. The product got a bad name because people abused it and used it when they should have been using body filler. So let's take a look at a situation where we can use it. In this situation we came across a very minor low spot, and let me give you a close-up of that. I'm not sure how clear you can see it, but the black spray bomb paint is sitting in that low spot, and this is a perfect example of when we can use this 1K putty. It's good to use a metal spreader because you'll get this stuff really tight and thin. What you can do is either squirt it on here or on the spreader. I like to put it on the spreader and then just bang, bang, bang. Like I said, after it dries, it's by far the easiest putty to sand. We'll be using 120 grit on a rubber block. And that's it. We'll do this one. Here's a close-up of that after block sanding. This time we'll block sand with a $30 DA or palm sander from Amazon and 240 grit from TEMU. Here's a close-up of that, and at this point it can be primed and blocked again, or primed and finish sanded with, say, a DA and 320 or a hand block and 320 or 400. Before writing 1K glazing putty off because you heard it shrinks, give it a try. Remember, not too long ago this was all there was, along with plastic filler. I hope you enjoyed this video on a product I couldn't live without. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.